Arif, this is for your second birthday. We decorated the whole house for you, and of course in the ground floor is decorated. I'm going to video that as well, so that you know everything. All this lighting is done for you, Baba. Okay? And you know who did it? Here, Tajvik Bhaiya, Labib Bhaiya, myself, all of us. Your Boro Mama wanted to help everybody. Come on, Mama. See, your Boro Mama came early to help us out. Already Home Depot